Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ready to supercharge your Notion workspace with the power of ChatGPT? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the only way to connect Notion directly with ChatGPT for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll have these two platforms linked and unlocking brand new potential for organization, brainstorming, automation, and much more. So let's dive in and get this set up together. To start, open up your Notion app or head to the Notion website on your desktop, whichever you prefer. Once you're inside, you'll want to navigate to your settings. You'll usually find this tucked into the sidebar or under your profile photo. Just look for the gear icon. Take your time finding it. It's the first step, and it's important because these back-end settings are where all your integrations live. Inside Settings, you'll see a menu labeled Connections. Click into that. This is where Notion lets you explore available third-party integrations. You're looking for something called Notion MCP. Don't worry if you haven't heard of MCP before. Think of it as Notion's central hub for managing connections to external services. You'll see an option called Explore. Click on that. This will show you a catalog of applications and services that Notion can communicate with securely. Scrolling through the list, find ChatGPT. Spotting ChatGPT might take a second. It's usually nestled among other popular tools. Once you locate it, go ahead and click Connect. This is Notion's way of initiating the handshake between your workspace and the power of ChatGPT's AI. Now, almost immediately, Notion will redirect you to ChatGPT's Apps and Connectors section. This sounds fancy, but all you're really doing is confirming from the ChatGPT side that you're ready to make the connection. Here, you'll actually see Notion listed as an available connector. Once again, click Connect. You'll see a button or prompt. Don't hesitate, just give it a click. The next screen will prompt you to continue to Notion. You're moving back into familiar territory here. Click Continue to Notion, and you'll see a final authorization window titled Connect with Notion MCP. This is a crucial moment as you're giving specific permission for ChatGPT to access your Notion workspace. Grant access and take a breath. Sometimes this part can take a few moments to process. If it seems to hang for a little while, that's totally normal. You might see a little spinning wheel or loading notice. Just let it do its thing. When asked to select the workspace, double-check that you're choosing the correct Notion workspace, especially if you use Notion for multiple purposes, like organizing both work and personal life. This choice determines where ChatGPT will have access, so pick whichever workspace you want to integrate with AI. Once you've selected, click Continue. This confirms your selection and completes the final connection step. And that's it. ChatGPT is now officially connected to your Notion space. You've unlocked a whole new layer of productivity and creativity. If everything went according to plan, you'll see confirmation messages on both sides, and you'll be able to start using ChatGPT directly within your Notion tasks and notes. If any step felt confusing or if it didn't go perfectly the first time, don't worry. Sometimes integrations can be a bit fussy, but following these steps will get you there. And now, you've joined the future of workspace automation and AI-powered collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or if there's another integration you want to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides, tips, and tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting!